Okay, guys. So, I was asked. I think someone asked how I went about the glass effect, glass morphism effect. I think that's the name. I can't remember who started it, but I'll make that in another video. So, I got the same text from X2 from online. So this is the flyer. Let's just go straight to it. So this is the flyer, the poster that I created, right? So and these are the glass effects. This one. So we just want to just how did we do it, right? So let me just duplicate the background. This background is an image, an AI generated image that I used. I just generated the image. So I'm going to duplicate it. Yeah, and then I want to create a glass effect from this now. So what I did is of course select the shape which you want to create it, which is a circle. Create a circle, and then can give it any color, whatever, just to differentiate, just for you to just see that there's a circle there. Remove the outline, and then the next thing that I did was duplicate the background inside the shape. So it's a power clip, of course. So I just want to copy the background. That's Control C, then Control V. Yeah, bring this one up. Then I'm going to power clip the background inside the shape. You feel me? Yeah. So once I power clip it now, it's almost the same thing now. So then once I power clip it, I go back to inside the power clip, and then go to your effects. Go to your effects. I love my effects around this side place, but some people can also get it from up here. It's the same thing. So it's just blur that I'm looking for. So blur. Go to the Gaussian blur. Let's load for a while. My system has been misbehaving since. I don't know why it's slow to load this thing. So yeah, Gaussian blur now. So you increase it a bit just to give the effects, make it more look better or look more realistic, right? So blur it very well. Once you blur it, it's 27 I used. Just blur it to your own taste, whatever you want to do, and then you finish it. So when you finish it, you can see that there's already a differentiation from it. You feel me? Yeah. So from that, now I want to add more realism to it, right? So then we create the outline. Okay, before you create the outline, there's something called the inner shadow that Coreldraw, I think it was in 2020 that they brought up that update, the inner shadow. So when you click this tool, that's your shadow tool. The assignment is under it, but when you click the shadow tool, you'll see here. This one is for the outer shadow. So when you bring it out, you can see that it has an outer shadow. But when you click here to that side, it gives you the you see it writes apply shadows inside the object. So that's for the inner shadow. So when you click it, you bring it out, and then you can see stuff like this. It's already giving it that effect. So you bring it to reduce it a bit. Just supposed to show a small dark shade. Okay, no, don't reduce it, increase it. Let's increase it and see. Let's increase the highest first, and then so I believe I'm talking to mid-level graphic designers, so I don't want to go through the whole beginner process of what this skill is about and everything. Mid-level designers, they already know what this is about. So yeah, when you by this scale, let me see talk about it. By this scale, you bring up the intensity of it. So just reduce it a bit, and then drag it back a bit. So just give it this slight, because it's something small that you're looking for, not too much, not too less. So like this, and then you can see. Then you can now click on the circle again, add the outline, add an outline to it. You can see. And then when you add the outline to it, you can now reduce. Okay, let's not reduce the ball. So I just want the outline to just be on one part of the circle. So what do? We Control Shift Q. Sorry, that's on MacBook. Control Shift Q. But why it's not working now is because we already applied a shadow, an effect on the object we want to break apart. So it's not going to allow it. So what do? We remove the shadow from the object. Yeah, we'll go back to it. So remove the shadow from the object. So you clear shadow and clear the shadow. Okay, so now we clear the shadow, so meaning we are going to work with the outline first, right? So remember again, Control Shift Q. That's for MacBook, not Command Shift Q, Control Shift Q. But on Windows is Control. Yes, it's Control Shift Q. Yeah, Control Shift Q. So when we do that, it's going to break it apart. That's breaking it apart. Where you can see it's giving it two nodes. Sorry, two nodes already, meaning it's broken apart. And then most of the terms I'm using, I'll still explain them in the course of this. No, the account day. So when we do that, sorry, let me just go back. So we click the outline now that we've broken apart, and then we come to transparency too. And of course, you know how to use the transparency. So just drag it one side, like this, and then yeah. Or maybe you want to do it the other side. I think you should do the other side. Since the shadow is going to be here on this side, you can just do the outline on this side, so it will complement for each other. So once we do that, we've gotten that. Now we can now go back to the object itself. Always we are clicking the object now. So once we click the object now, we go back to the shadow, and then make sure it's on the inner shadow, and then you drag it. Yeah, just the same thing that we did. Increase the intensity to see how far it is. Then drag it a bit. Does it look right? Look right. Can reduce the intensity if it's too much. Yeah. So I think that's it. We can also go back inside and increase the blur. If you think the blur is not enough, so increase the blur. Let's finish and see. Okay, I think it looks better like this now. Yeah, it looks better like this. So that's basically how to do the glass effects. Glass morphism is not that hard. It's not that hard. So yeah. Thank you again.